Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Snapseed is updated. This ensures the QR feature is present. Open the image you want to share or preserve a look from. Once the photo is loaded, go straight to Export or the Look/Save area. Do not detour through filters. Save the current edits as a look. Name it clearly so you can find it later. This creates the data you will turn into a QR code for reuse or sharing. Next, open your saved looks list and tap the look you just saved. Once selected, choose Share or Export and pick Create QR. Snapseed converts the looks edit stack into a scannable code. Give the QR a clear name and confirm export options. You can save the QR image to your camera roll or copy it to clipboard. Make sure to keep the QR at a high resolution so details aren't lost when another device scans it. To apply the look on another device, open Snapseed and go to Import or the Look section that accepts QR input. Use the camera to scan the QR or import the saved QR image. Snapseed reads the code and recreates the edit stack automatically. If it fails, make sure the QR is fully visible, increase contrast or size, and try again. Also confirm both devices run compatible Snapseed versions, because
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.